vehicles and put them to the test by testing them on the track to become apprentice engineers. It's an activity that has enabled my students to get involved, put themselves into action, ask questions, work in teams, collaborate, and try to solve problems. It's also a great way of seeing or revisiting the scientific approach, which is something we work on in science from the second cycle of primary school onwards. All this was done by a team of dedicated and committed animators.
I also enjoyed making the cars, and it was really cool to make the mechanisms and watch the tests.